Good morning. After stumbling for 8 days in a row, the indices look poised to clock some gains today. World markets are upbeat on hopes that fiscal cliff negotiations in Washington are progressing well, especially after Obama met congressional leaders on Friday. We expected gains in our market on Monday itself, though. A rebound in Nifty above the 5,630 level augurs well for the time being. Asian markets are up this morning. Reports state that better than forecast US home sales has brought in some cheer. US indices saw one of their best gains in months with Dow adding over 200 points. Due to all temporary happiness in the global markets, one can't ignore the effect that escalating violence in Middle East between Israel and Islamist political group Hamas will continue to attract attention. Oil prices have inched higher and Israel's defense minister Ehud Barak said the army was prepared to invade the Gaza Strip. The euro fell after Moody's Investors Service stripped France of its top government bond rating. Further downgrades are expected. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 15.2 million in the cash segment on Monday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 5 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 2.04 billion in the cash segment on Monday, according to the SEBI figures. Other news in the media are the Foreign Investment Promotion Board has been asked to review the FDI policy in the telecom equipment manufacturing sector in a bid to tighten controls. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation has decided to put Rajasthan ahead of Maharashtra in its refinery commissioning dates. Karnataka Bank has raised 2.5 billion rupees by issuing 10-year Tier 2 bonds. Titan Industries Limited aimed to grow its turnover to $2 billion by the end of this fiscal. Reliance Industries is understood to have hired Arvind Rao, former Managing Director and Chief Executive of Mobile Value-Added Service Company on Mobile Global, to drive its proposed fourth-generation broadband services. The RBI has told banks not to give loans for the purchase of gold in any form, including primary gold, bullion, jewelry, coins, unit of gold exchange traded fund, and unit of gold mutual funds. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise selling Larsen & Toubro November futures below Rs 1,550 for the target price of Rs 1,500 and stop loss placed at Rs 1,575. We advise buying HDFC above Rs 760 for the target price of Rs 790 and stop loss placed at Rs 745. Our derivative strategy for the day is short Sterlite November futures above Rs 98 for the target price of Rs 94 and a stop loss placed at Rs 100. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.